Hey, welcome and thank you very much for signing up for the course. You're going to have a great time and I'm very happy to see you here. Let's talk about some of the things you're going to need to know in order to take the course and to get the most out of it. The course is broken up into 4 main sections. Each section is a different problem set. Now, these problem sets can be taken separately if you want to. There's a lot of videos there, so you may want to take problem set 3 and then take a break for a while, and then take problem set 2, and then problem set 4, and then problem set 1. Now, problem set 1 is the easiest, and it's probably the best just to do that first, but you could do these in any order you want. They're pretty self-contained. There is a unit or a section at the very end called the Python Glossary, and all that is just a repeat of some of the videos talking about the specific Python tools that you would have used throughout the problem sets. And I've broken that out. These tools are inside the units, but I've also broken them out just because if you ever want to go back and grab a bit of that information, it's really easy for you to find that in the glossary rather than searching through all the units. You might not remember what unit it was in or where in the unit you're looking for the information. So I've broken that out so it's really quick and easy and quick access to that information. There are 70 videos, and that is a lot for the 4 units. But I've managed to break these videos down to be an average of 5 minutes or less. So as you're watching the videos, each step we're going to take to solve the problem is really condensed into a few minutes. So you can jump in and out of the problem set wherever you like and not have to watch a half hour or an hour video to get through the actual answer. So I hope you enjoy that. Also, if you have any questions throughout the videos, please let me know through a message or a question or an announcement or anything that Udemy might offer you. I try my best to respond to these as quickly as possible, so please let me know what you're thinking. Also, if you're really confused about something I've done in the videos, let me know and I'll try and make a quick video to put in the Python Glossary to discuss that particular Python tool. But anyways, that's all I have to say for now. We'll keep this intro short. Let's have you dive right into the first section, talking about algorithm and algorithm development. And I really hope you enjoy the course, and I hope to hear from you in the future.